Discover cardio-free fat loss workouts using weight training exercise and internal training to burn fat. Have you heard these fat loss myths? Myth number 1. You have to do cardio on an empty stomach in order to burn fat. There is no fat loss magic to doing cardio on an empty stomach. Myth number 2. You have to do cardio in the fat burning zone. By exercising in the fat burning zone, as some folks like to call it, you only burn a few extra calories than if you weren't doing any exercise at all. Myth number 3. You have to do cardio 7 days per week. The truth is, you only need to do 3 short home fitness workouts per week of 45 minutes apiece. Myth number 4. You have to do cardio for at least 20 minutes before you start burning fat. We're burning fat all the time. A world-renowned certified strength and conditioning specialist has developed a revolutionary new fat loss system called Turbulence Training. Craig Ballantyne designed this system to help busy men and women burn the most belly fat in the least amount of time without using cardio exercise. Turbulence Training is scientifically proven and endorsed by world-class personal trainers and strength coaches. The Turbulence Training belly fat burning system is the combined result of 16 years of hands-on, in-the-trenches gym experience, over 5,318 personal training sessions, and careful scrutiny of over 723 medical research papers. What will you get with the Turbulence Training package? A 136-page exercise routine manual crammed with beginner through advanced fat burning workouts, giving you up to 24 weeks worth of belly fat burning workouts, valued at over $397. An exclusive 1-hour MP3 audio going over every detail of the Turbulence Training belly fat workouts and fat loss philosophy, valued at $165. But you'll only pay $39.95. Get the Turbulence Training program now to have a 3-month basic level membership to the Turbulence Training discussion fat burning forums and other exclusive fat loss info for free.